Home remedies for acid reflux disease. Acid reflux disease is a distressing condition that occurs when the stomach juices are thrown into the esophagus, and this will cause severe burning sensation, chest pain, and pain in the patient. Several causes can be attributed to it, though the main one is intake of hot and spicy food. There are some home remedies that can be used for treating acid reflux disease. Causes: we all may experience acid reflux occasionally, often associated with certain food and drink. Recurrent acid reflux that leads to disease has other causes and risk factors and is termed gastroesophageal reflux disease. Gastroesophageal reflux disease is seen in people of all ages, sometimes for unknown reasons. Often, the cause is attributable to a lifestyle factor, but it can also be due to causes that cannot always be prevented. One such cause of GERD is a hiatal hernia. This is an anatomical abnormality where a hole in the diaphragm allows the upper part of the stomach to enter the chest cavity, sometimes leading to GERD. Pregnancy can also cause acid reflux due to extra pressure being placed on the internal organs. Other risk factors are more easily controlled: obesity, smoking, high intake of table salt, low dietary fiber intake, low levels of physical exercise, medications, including drugs for asthma, calcium channel blockers, antihistamines, painkillers, sedatives, and antidepressants, alcohol or caffeine intake. Symptoms: acid reflux, whether it is a harmless, isolated episode of the sort we all experience at some point, or the persistent problem of gastroesophageal reflux disease, usually produces the same main symptom: heartburn. Heartburn is a discomfort happening in the esophagus and felt behind the breastbone area that takes the form of a burning sensation. It generally gets worse when the person lies down or bends over. It can last for several hours and also tends to worsen after eating food. The pain of heartburn may move up toward the neck and throat. Stomach fluid can reach the back of the throat in some cases, producing a bitter or sour taste. If heartburn occurs regularly, 2 or more times a week, it is termed gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD for short. GERD can also have other symptoms, including dry, persistent cough, wheezing, asthma and recurrent pneumonia, nausea, vomiting, throat problems, soreness, hoarseness, or laryngitis, difficulty or pain when swallowing, chest or upper abdominal pain, dental erosion, bad breath. Prevention. Lifestyle can play a large part in the development of acid reflux-related problems, and changes to lifestyle or behavior can prevent or improve symptoms. The American Gastroenterological Association offers the following list of things that might help resolve symptoms. Avoid food, drinks, and medicines that you find to be associated with heartburn irritation. Eat smaller meals. Improve posture. For instance, sitting up straighter. Wear loose clothing. Do not lie down for 2-3 hours after a meal. Lose weight if overweight or obese. Avoid increased pressure on your abdomen, such as from tight belts or doing sit-up exercises. Stop smoking. Reduce intake of chocolate, carbonated drinks, and acidic juices. Aim for a healthy weight. While heartburn can happen to anyone, GERD seems to be most prevalent in adults who are overweight or obese. Excess weight, especially in the abdominal area, puts more pressure on the stomach. As a result, you're at an increased risk of stomach acids working back into the esophagus and causing heartburn. If you're overweight, the Mayo Clinic suggests a steady weight loss plan of 1 or 2 pounds per week. On the flip side, if you are already considered to be at a healthy weight, then make sure you maintain it with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Know which foods to avoid. No matter what your weight, there are certain known trigger foods that can increase your risk for acid reflux. With GERD, you should be especially wary of items that can lead to symptoms. Try avoiding the following foods: tomato sauce and other tomato-based products, high-fat foods, such as fast food products and greasy foods, fried foods, citrus fruit juices, soda, caffeine, chocolate, garlic, onions, mint, alcohol. By limiting or avoiding these triggers altogether, you may experience fewer symptoms. You may also want to keep a food diary to help identify problem foods. The first remedy for acid reflux disease is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar restores the pH balance in the stomach, which helps in neutralizing the acidity in the stomach and calms your stomach immediately. Take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, add half a cup of water to this. As having a meal, an especially spicy and hot one, can cause acid reflux disease in people who are prone to it. The mixture has to be taken before every meal to keep the stomach relaxed and calm and to prevent the overactivity of the digestive juices. Take this mixture at least half an hour before every meal to prevent as well as treat acid reflux disease. The second remedy for acid reflux disease is baking soda, another natural pH restoring agent. Baking soda helps by neutralizing the acid-base balance and restoring the troubled stomach to normalcy. Take a teaspoon of baking soda and add this to a glass of water. Soon the solution will start fizzing. Drink it immediately for immediate relief. However, baking soda must be taken with great caution. It can cause problems for people who have hypertension and those who are on a restricted or non-sodium diet. Speak to your doctor about the safety of this home remedy before you take it when you have diseases and conditions. The third remedy for acid reflux disease is licorice. Licorice root works by acting as a protective sheath around the stomach walls, and this will prevent acid reflux disease from troubling you. Licorice root gel or supplements can be taken in tincture form or extracts, or as a tea for making use of its medicinal properties. Take the herbal remedy before meals or as directed by the herbalist. The protective gel that forms around the stomach walls will also prevent the walls from getting damaged due to severe and frequent acid reflux. The fourth remedy for acid reflux disease is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a cooling gel, and when you have a burning stomach, as is the case when you have acid reflux disease, aloe vera can act as a soothing agent and cools the interior walls of the stomach. Fresh aloe vera can be collected from the aloe plant, and a quarter cup can be taken every day morning or before meals to protect your stomach walls from acid reflux disease. Aloe vera juices too are available for consumption. Make sure that the juice is organic and not a synthetic one. The fifth remedy for acid reflux disease is ginger. Ginger is a natural pain reliever. It is also good for optimum digestion of food and prevents the food and the gastric juices from throwing back into the esophagus and causing acid reflux disease. Ginger juice can be taken after meals for digestion of the food. Ginger will also prevent bacterial action in the stomach and aid in good digestion. This will prevent putrefaction of food inside the stomach and intestinal walls as well. The sixth remedy for acid reflux disease is fennel seeds. Fennel seeds, when taken, will help in taking care for stomach spasms, which too is a characteristic feature of acid reflux disease. Fennel seeds contain a compound known as annatol, which is known to be antispasmodic in nature and helps in relaxing the stomach walls and preventing acid reflux disease. As acid reflux disease is more prone to crop up after a heavy and spicy meal, it is best to chew on a few fennel seeds after every meal to prevent its occurrence and also to aid in better digestive health. The seventh remedy for acid reflux disease is lavender and anise tea. A combination of lavender, which is a soothing and relaxing herb, and anise seeds can help deal with acid reflux disease in people who suffer frequently. Take lavender and anise seeds in equal quantities and add 1 teaspoon of this mixture into 20 ounces of boiling water. Allow the mixture to be steeped for 10 minutes. Cool and take 1 cup in the morning and 1 in the night. Doing this continuously will help in treating acid reflux disease and also in preventing the symptoms from occurring on a frequent basis. The eighth remedy for acid reflux disease is cumin seeds. Another wonderful natural remedy. Cumin seeds have many antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and other medicinal properties. For treating acid reflux disease, cumin seeds can be used. Gas or flatulence is another reason that can cause acid reflux disease. Gas trapped inside the abdominal wall can cause the digestive juices to be thrown back up, and this will lead to severe acidity. Taking cumin seeds will help in the release of gas, and this will prevent the digestive juices from coming back up. 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds can be boiled with 1 liter of water, and this can be taken throughout the day, especially after meals, to release gas and also to prevent bacterial buildup, which can lead to acid reflux disease later. The ninth remedy for acid reflux disease is almonds. Almonds are known to be very relaxing to the stomach. Taking almonds every day will help in keeping the stomach walls relaxed and calm as well. For treating acid reflux disease, take 4-5 almonds and chew well before swallowing them. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, which moisturizes the stomach walls and is also antioxidant in nature. This will keep the stomach and digestive system and also skin very healthy. The 10th remedy for acid reflux disease is skimmed milk. Milk is known to be very soothing to the stomach, and many are recommended to have a glass of milk after the meals to calm the stomach, especially for those suffering from irritable bowel syndrome, acidity, and related problems. However, you must not attempt fatty milk. A skimmed variety must be used every day to prevent aggravation. After your meals, make sure that you cool the milk and take a glass of it. The cooling and soothing properties of milk will be double-fold when you cool it. The 11th remedy for acid reflux disease is coconut water. Coconut water is a natural cooling agent, and this will take care of the burning sensation experienced by many when they have acid reflux disease. After every meal or when you are troubled by acid reflux disease, you can sip on a tender coconut and attain relief instantly. Coconut water is also rich in nutrients and help in keeping the stomach and body hydrated and cool, especially during the summer months. All remedies are best practices as per our knowledge. If you face any serious issue, please contact your doctor.